I just released a class on Skillshare. It's my first ever Skillshare class, all about how to record lettering videos. And the same techniques can apply to other art videos. So first I'm going to show you the little promo video I made for that class. I'll link to it below if you are interested. And then afterwards, I am going to show you my behind the scenes of how I do my YouTube videos and my whole office studio space. Have you ever tried to film your lettering only to realize that it's not as easy as it looks? I've been there. People love lettering in art videos, but it can be hard if you don't know where to start. And that's what this class is all about, specifically for lettering videos, but it can help with any art video that you may be sharing on Instagram, YouTube, all the social media. And we are keeping it simple by doing it all on your phone. Hey guys, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. I started lettering almost 2 years ago and I loved hand lettering videos. I really wanted to start making my own. At first, I had my husband hold the phone for me. I soon realized I couldn't have him record every video that I wanted to make. So I soon figured out a fancy setup. I thought it was fancy at the time. Here's a picture of my first setup. But this didn't last long because it took way too much time to set up. I did finally come up with something that worked for me, and it worked for many others. I made a blog post about it and it was helpful at the time. I have since then taken down that blog post because it needed to be updated, and now I have all the updated tools that I'm going to share with you in this class. We will go over everything from the setup behind the scenes to editing the video to make sure that it is high quality to share with your following. So you'll be making high quality videos in no time. Hey friends, today is going to be super casual. I just want to show you behind the scenes of my studio, how I film my YouTube videos and the lettering videos. And so first of all, normally I make a lot of pauses and I have to think about what I'm going to say, and I word things really weird, but I'm going to try to not even edit that out at all. I normally am editing myself a ton because I pause so much. But today the goal is keeping it real. If I say something weird, you just get to see all of it. So first of all, let's see. Right here, I always want to look at me, but I have to look right here because that's where I'm recording. But because my iPad, I'm recording with my iPad and it's on the side, so it's tricky because I have to look at here, but I want to look at here because I'm looking at me. But anyways, so also I'm in a sweatshirt because I have to turn the heat down really low when I start recording because our heater is so loud, and it's like the most frustrating thing ever when it turns on right in the middle of filming. And that's my window. There's cars driving by all the time, so I get distracted a lot and I edit it out, but today I'm not showing you the behind the scenes. So let me get on my phone. That's all I use. I use my iPad and I use my phone to film. So let me get on my phone and I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, so now I'm on my phone. Can I flip it around? I don't think I can, but let me show you my wall behind me. This is my one wall in my apartment that I'm proud of. My husband and I took forever to set this up. So let's see, this one right here is from the Blushing script. She's awesome. This one I made from flowers from Hobby Lobby. It's on a cardboard backing. This one I made when I was in Alaska. It was a project my mother-in-law helped me find the wood and everything. And then this one over here is from Meko Designs, Kimberly. She's awesome. I won. It was a submit your design and then people vote on it, and I won, and so she made that. So it's really cool. This is from Michael's. Everything else is pictures of us and our life. So let me flip this around. Okay, so here's what it looks like. We have my tripod. This is as tall as it goes. And I have an iPad clip where it just clips onto it right there. And then I just stand right here, and I have this light to make it brighter. So it's the window and that light. And this one is normally in my studio when I am lettering. So let's head into my studio now. Okay, so here it is. It's not the cleanest. I didn't clean up for this video, but here's my nice big window, my desk. This is where the magic happens. And there is often dirty water in my watercolor mug. My watercolors are always out. And normally, so I have this light right here. Gives a lot of good light. And then I normally have the other one that's in my living room right now. And I would normally also have my tripod sitting right here to record with when I record with my iPad. And let's see, lots of cords right there. Always so many cords. My sewing machine. This is my little station for my computer. When I sit right here, my printer is right here. And then underneath I have my paper that I use. I always use this guy, this paper cutter guy. And so he had to go right on top. This is where I keep all of my receipts and tax information. I figured if it's somewhere that I can just put them right away, that I won't lose them as easily. And right here I have my giant map. You may have seen when I did this video. So I digitized it, the original that was just on postboard, and I printed it out at Office Depot. And then I used these, I did this yesterday, so it's fresh. So I used these Casa chalk markers, and I put gold hearts wherever a Fearless Lettering book has gone, and I put silver hearts, there's another one, wherever it's just the digital download. And then I just have New Mexico that is still empty. And then, right back here, this is where I keep shipping supplies. So when I'm shipping, I put my computer away, and this then becomes my shipping station. And every book gets a lifesaver business card. There's my markers, and then washi tape and stuff. Over here is where I keep the books and the shipping bubble mailers. This is my wall of quotes that I designed. I am probably going to change these quotes pretty soon. These frames are from Tiny Mighty Frames. I love that they are square. They come with a square gallery wall. There's another thing that I made. I just printed out separate sheets of paper saying you are fearless, and then I put washi tape so it looks like the lines are normal. Here's some items that I need to hang up, and then back there in that corner is just random, I don't know where to put it. Let me show you. This is where all of my lettering supplies are. On the top there is random stuff. These I just got, so I'm going to use them, and then they'll have a space. They don't have a space yet. Random odds and ends of papers. These drawers are not clean. They're pretty messy. So here's my paint pens and chalk markers, and then random odds and ends. This one, I have my stencils that I use all the time. And then in this container, I have basically my small brush pens, Okay, we're gonna try this again. My phone died, which is a common occurrence because my phone is old. So these are random, my small brush pens, my gel pens, anything little, things I use often. And then in here is my watercolors. So these are ones though that I don't use as often. Yeah, because they're all out there. The ones that I use the most. Here's paper. This is a watercolor paper. It fills it up easily. Here is a drawer of brush pens. So my Zigs, my Crayola brush pens. Here's my Crayola Super Tip, or these are the Super Tips, and then these are the broad lines. And then in this bag, my Fearless bag, I keep my Tombos. I don't have a whole set of Tombos. And then in this bag, these are older Crayola, so even like my metallic and my glitter ones, I don't use them very much anymore, but they all have a space in there. These are my Artline sticks. I have a lot of them. And then in this, I have black Crayola markers because I tend to use the black a lot. So I just got a pack of only black. Let's put these away right now. And then in this one, this is random odds and ends. I have pencils in here, erasers, paper clips, other random pens, my stamp. This is basically anything that is miscellaneous. I don't know where to put it. It goes in here. And then this one has my wood burning things. I don't wood burn very much. Every once in a while I do. And then it has my laminator for foiling. It's easy to get out when I need it, but I do everything in bulk when I need to do it. And here's my garbage down there. I got this from Daiso, my favorite. And so I like that it's right next to where I letter, so I can just grab things really easily. Oh, also I have this little basket right here, which I love. It's so great because then the little items that I'm like, oh, I just made that, I don't know what to do with it, I just stick it in there. And then when I'm sending Happy Mail or something, I have stuff right here to send. And I also keep things from other people in here. So there's some envelopes of Happy Mail. Here's my little odds and ends that I will use in videos, my little props. And so I guess that's it. That's my little office space and behind the scenes. I hope you liked it. Oh, one more thing. I have my microphone. Oh, I probably just made it really loud by touching it. I have my microphone. That helps a lot with the sound quality. It's not the best microphone, but I needed something, so this one helps. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes. And let me know below what you want to see more of. Okay, bye.